one that didn't understand a slap.
Huntington High School! Woo!
Go Huntington!
In the place, taking music over Joe 6. If it's minus 5, they keep the burner alive. So when it's time to get them, only the case survive. 7 times 11 will begin my real drive. 24 years later, and I still can't reach time. Woo!
What's up, guys? We're at 10. My first time.
Back to.
Yeah. Pretty cool stuff actually. Get out of here. Oh shoot. It's pretty cool. Sorry about that. Yeah, guys, this is my first time trying tans, you know. Feel a little embarrassed. What's that? A little lava gamer. Pretty cool. What you gonna get and shit? Huh?
Probably a patty melt.
Patty melt?
Yeah.
I don't know what to get, so I'm gonna have to think about it. So I'll probably get chili cheese fries. Yeah, chili cheese fries. Oh yeah. What is this? That's pretty cool, dude. Yeah. They're pretty cool. It's pretty awesome, man. The way they have the tables designed like that. You got that Derek Jader. Pretty cool, man. It's awesome. Manchester United. I know. Lava.
Sandwich.
Oh yeah, chili cheese fries. Then pretty good.
Yeah.
Jumbo shrimp. Oh yeah.
Pretty.
Pork chops and eggs. Pork chops. Boil salad. chili cheese fries? Ah, grande. Es todo. Es todo.
¿Para qué para allá?
Ah, para aquí.
No, está lleno.
Gracias.
Alright, guys. Patty melt. A little skimpy, but tasty. Alright, guys. Your fries, on the other hand, are loaded. Oh, I see that.
I love chili fries.
Look at that.
Alright guys, you see this guys?
Salud.
I'll probably burn my mouth. I'll probably burn my mouth right now with this. It's all cheesily hot.
Look at that. Damn.
Cheesily delicious. Look at all that.
Look at that one.
Gotta let it cool down a little bit, but take a bite, guys. I'll take a bite just for you guys. If I burn myself, I do it for you guys.
Give the people what they want.
I'm gonna burn my fucking tongue. Like I said, I'm gonna burn my tongue, but this is good. I prefer these chili fries, chili cheese fries, over Jim's and all those other restaurants. This is my first time trying it. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy these chili cheese fries. We'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, stay safe, stay fearless. Adios. Alright guys, I guess the video's not over. It's too much, man. It's too much for me. But whatever, you know what I'm saying? I gotta indulge.
Potatoes. What will we do with our potatoes? Oh god.
I say potato, she says potato.
We're booked.
This is really good.
So Mexicans, what would we do without beans?
I know how you love cheese. Oh my god.
Oh, thank you. Thanks, cows. Moo.
Alright.
Got the patty melt. Now I'm about to try the chili dog. What's up with this shit, homie? Just a nice cheap chili dog. You know what I mean?
Better than Jim's, I bet.
A ver qué pasó. A ver qué pasa. What's up, dog?
¿Qué pasó?
Just a standard, cheap, shitty, hot chili dog. That's good.
Better than Jim's.
You know, make times 80, whatever.
360.
Loaded with cheese and chili. I mean, what the hell else could you want?
Ready? Ready? Oh, there's no leftovers right there. And then,
Thank you.
this place is always busy, man. Always, man. You see the drive-thru? Woohoo!